Hey guys, today I'm here to give you a short review of what's there in our session 1 of our operating systems design course. I hope this will help you a lot. I'll not go in depth, but I'll just give you a short review that what's there in that at least you need to know. Okay, let's get started. And this is a session 1. What are the topics we covered? What is an operating system? You tell me guys, what do you mean by an operating system? First of all, of course, it's an interface in between the computer hardware and the computer user. In this sense, think you are the computer user and you need to do some programs or perform some various tasks in your computer that will be operated through your computer hardware. But how do you react with your computer hardware being a user? That's possible through the operating system, and that's what is an operating system. Hope you guys have understood this. Going to the next thing. What does an OS provide? What does it provide? Here you can see operating systems. That's a definition which I've told you. Examples are popular examples of Windows and Mac OS, Android in your phones and all. You react with your phone through Android like this. Okay, I think now we have got a clarity on what's an operating system. Now, what does it provide? It provides abstraction and resource management. What do you mean by abstraction? Abstraction in the sense hiding of the details. What details? Hiding of the process that's going on in your hardware. In the sense, you will be performing some tasks in your device, but you don't know what's happening inside the hardware because it was hidden. That process is known as an abstraction. Okay, and next thing is a resource management. What do you mean by resource management? In the sense, managing of resources. Okay, what do you mean by managing of resources? What resources? Resources which are present in your device or that are running on your device. That's mean by resource management. And next thing, what are the services provided by the operating system? They're like program execution. You very well, I think you are very well known with the program execution. Whenever you give some logic or something, it'll perform what is the logic, what is there in the program, and it will execute. In the sense, it is a process of giving the output for the logic or something what you have given there. And error detection, in the sense, while you're compiling any program or something else, if there are any errors in your program, that will be shown to you, and that's what is known as an error detection. Accounting, memory management, all these are managing of memory and managing of task. Managing of memory in the sense, it will allocate some memory to the files and it will store all this. It is managed by the memory, right? And next thing is task management. Sometimes you'll perform multiple tasks in your computer, am I right? And all those will be supported by this operating system. File management, in the sense, sometimes you'll store some files, and all these will be done by this file management. Input or output device management, in the sense, you'll give input to your computer through keyboard, mouse, etc. And how will you expect the output? It will be through the monitor, printer, etc. Oh, and next thing, important thing is kernel. What do you mean by kernel? First of all, it's a core component of an operating system. In the sense, it's a main part of an operating system. It's a system software. What does it do? What is an operating system? It is an interface in between computer hardware and computer user, that is you and your device. But kernel, it is an interface in between the application and the hardware. Are you done with this? It's an interface between the application and the hardware, in the sense, the hardware and the application, whatever you want to do. Simply, without kernel, even you can do something. You can do various things in your device, but without kernel, you need to write program for each and everything. In order to see the file, even you need to write a program. That all, that's all a very big stuff, and that all we can't do all the time, each and every minute. Okay, that's a long process. For that, we use kernel. It will minimize this that task, right? Whenever you have a kernel, there's no need to write some kind of programs for each and every small things and all, and the next thing, processes, they request the kernel to perform some activities through what? Through system calls. In the sense, system calls will tell the kernel to perform some task. See here, you can see, use these are the user programs and they react with the kernel through the system calls. Okay, and the next thing, where does it load first? Kernel, where does it load? It will be first loaded into the main memory, that is your random access memory, and it will be staying in your computer until you shut down your device. Okay, now have you got all this, guys? I hope that you're all now clear with what are the topics in our session 1. Thank you, guys.